So a day in the life of Scruff, eh? Well, it's currently shade after 6:30. I've done the strengths, preparing Euro and the FTSE to be done by 8 o'clock. Why? Well, it's very simple. It's just to show you that if you pull your finger out, you can actually do this job. So I'm going to be busy. I'll just leave the camera running, and this video is really for no other thing than a visual diary. Okay, so let me just carry on with what I'm doing.
Well, we're waiting.
Okay, so I've done the analysis on 2 charts. Don't need indicators no more. This one is derelict, and the best of the two for early morning trading is going to be this one. I've worked it out. There it is there. What I'm doing at the moment is a very simple process. Put on there. From Monday, which is what we're starting. It's golden eye. We are looking at mixed markets, but at the moment I've only done the FTSE. I'll start it with 100 quid. As per the video the other week, I said, well, if you get out of bed, you'll be able to do some work before you go to work, if you like. And we set these things up. Starting bid is 10p. The view of this is to compound position sizes and just going. And the idea of the videos, it's not to continue, it's just to actually show you what to do and how to do it. So for me, that's it set up. I know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for £1 a day, and I'm ready to go with this. Is it ready to rock and roll as an entry point? It's not a million miles away. So we are caught between this level and this level. It's in a downward shift bounce with a rocket to the upside, looking for a 10 pip move, which is all we need. And we want to be doing that beforehand. So we're going to fit that in there very, very easily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Top of the bill is top of that. So what we want to do is just set in a position size of 10p. Drop that in. We haven't got a lot of room on these at all. So you want to be in and you want to be out relatively quick. There we go. That's your order in. 10p will make £1 off this, which is what I'm more than happy with. Get it to a better price. Now I can sort of trade a lot smaller, but if I have to, I'll just reduce position sizes to scale in. But just to give you an idea of what 10p looks like, at the moment we have a spread of 3 because it's just before, it's 7:15 in the morning. If I drop that up there, you'll be able to see the margin requirement is 52. So it's all you can put in, because I'm starting with 100 quid, because that seems to be what everybody wants to see us start from. Drop that up there. If we're on euro dollar, the current spread is 0.6. So this is the better of the two to trade constantly. But I'm running up into 7 o'clock. The spread will tighten up and it'll be fine. Let's just show you what 10p looks like on this. So if we're buying it, 37. So this one is the cheaper of the two. It's peanuts, but you need options. So I'm going to use this one. And all we want is a quid. Bish bash. And then do it again tomorrow. But instead of putting, sort of starting with 100, you start with 101 and so forth and so forth. And eventually you'll be able to increase your position size, which increases the profit when you're only looking for a 10 pip move, which is all I'm doing. I want 10 pips before work, and that's it. All right.
I'd buy that for $1.
Okay, so that's done. It's completed before 8 o'clock. It's currently 10 to. So if you're going to work, you'll be setting off now. Just switch off that. So everything's done, and it's £1.15 for the day. So there you go. It can be done before work. Now, one of the reasons I left it is because obviously you're busy. It's got to be left set and forget. It was live or die. Put a couple of extra orders in just underneath, just to catch the retracements. Job's done. And then all you would do is just put it into some form of tracker, something like this. So you know in that period it won. You know, just take a quick look, see what it was. It was a C trade. So just go to there. So to C win, just like so. And then just drop in what the positions were. So here it was £1 and a penny on the first one, and 14 off a penny. Okay, base trades. Just drop that back a second. And the base trade started at 10p. Okay, so it starts giving you averages of pips, what the market has moved, how many positions you put into it, and then it starts working things out. Okay, and that's it. You just start figuring it out. Now, from here, you can start looking, well, tomorrow, well, it hasn't really chipped the monitor over. It's still going to be 10p, and you're going to start afresh. Tuesday, I'll start it with the golden eye. If I end up using two of them, that'll be mixed. 101.15. And tomorrow we'll be looking for 101 as a target. And we'll be starting 10p again. Okay. So that's it. You're done. You're ready to rock and roll. Trade's complete. And you're ready to start tomorrow. Simple stuff. Simple stuff. And that's it. So that'll keep you going. Why is that saying 6? I must have left something in somewhere. Anyway, right. There we go. So that's it. Quickly just repaired that sheet. Flick this back over a second. Just so I can show it. So I've completed all of that. I'd left a number down here. So it's one trade idea. Sorted. Now, on top of that, what we've been doing this morning, if you follow the WhatsApp, you'll see links for this down below. You'll see all of these things were put in way before I started, sort of like 10 to 7. That went in at 10 to 7. We were doing this sort of 7:15. Right the way through. Strengths in, 6:30. Everything is there. It's also, if you're in the Discord, put over into here as well. So I start very early. There we are. Strengths in. Oh, well done, girl. Got the coffee. Good girl. I love coffee. Because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. Told you what the news is up to. There isn't any news to talk about today. It's very little in there. drop it into Trader Talk. There's me complete. Pete's done the surge trade as well. There's the write-ups as I was going. So it's 7 o'clock. The other one, 10 to 7 for a pre-analysis going in. And then I did the same for the FTSE. So there you are. You can see it all running through. Know exactly what we're looking at. So the moral of the story is if you plan it, you'll survive and you'll do quite well. If you just do it on a wing and a prayer, good luck on that one. So happy days. So there you go. Proof of concept. Just do your job. Leave it to get on with it. And enjoy the rewards. So, were you enjoying rewards of today?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you put your clothes back on, so it wasn't that.
What do you mean? I didn't have them off.
You want to have it off?
I said I didn't have my clothes off.
Oh.
You're human.
Thought I was going back to bed, but I suppose I better stay and do some work. See you all in the next one.